solution. Given that integral 1 by x minus 1 x minus 3 x minus 2 into x minus 1 dx. Now what we have to do? Same procedure, nothing change. Here we are having two factors, a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 3, and we will have LCM. Here we will get LCM x minus 2 into x minus 3 and cross multiplication a into x minus 3, okay, plus b into x minus 2, okay. Then this cancel, 1 is equal to a x minus 3 plus b x minus 2. Then we can put 3, put x is equal to 3 plus 3. 1 is equal to a 3 minus 3 plus b 3 minus 2. Then b is equal to, this is 0, b is equal to 1. Then put x is equal to plus 2. Then 1 is equal to a 2 minus 3 plus b 2 minus 2. This is 0. Then a is equal to 1 by minus 1 is equal to minus 1. We know that here 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to a, in the place of a, minus 1 by x minus 2 plus in the place of b 1 by x minus 3, and we have to integral. That's all. We know that the formula integral 1 by x dx is equal to log x. We know that formula, no? We can minus log x minus 2 plus log x minus 3 plus c over. This is question number 3. Now question number 4.